Hey there! We at IKEA have decided not to sell solid wood worktops anymore. Instead, we will sell thick veneer worktops. They have higher quality, are easier to install, and mean smarter use of resources. Let me tell you more. Thick veneer looks like solid wood, feels like it, smells like it, sounds like it, because that's what it is, beautiful wood. As usual, we use the stem of the tree for the surface. But for thick veneer, we use the whole tree, even the branches and twigs in the core. The construction improves the quality. It makes the worktop stable, more resistant to humidity, and less likely to split, bend or crack, compared to solid wood. Another good thing is that we use our resources in a smarter way. From the same amount of wood that's needed to make one solid wood worktop, we make 5 thick veneer worktops. It comes pre-treated, so you don't have to oil it before use. It's ready for life's oops and whoops-a-daisies right after installation. As it wears and tears, it's good to know that the worktop can be sanded. All in all, it is a clever product, and it comes with a 25-year guarantee.